voiceover back to RF antenna design. Today, we're breaking down one of the most popular antennas in the world, the half-wave dipole antenna. Let's dive into how it's made and simulated with cutting-edge tools like SolidWorks and Ansys. The half-wave dipole antenna is a fundamental component in radio, TV, and wireless communication systems. It's designed to have a total length of half the wavelength of the frequency it's meant to operate on, making it efficient and straightforward to construct. This antenna consists of two equal lengths of conductive material, typically copper or aluminum. These materials are chosen because they are highly conductive, ensuring effective signal transmission. Now, let's jump into SolidWorks to begin the design process. We'll start by creating the two arms of the dipole. Each arm is modeled to precise dimensions, depending on the operating frequency. SolidWorks allows us to define these dimensions with accuracy, giving us a 3D representation of the antenna. Next, we select the material. For a dipole antenna, we typically use materials like copper or aluminum due to their high conductivity. Copper offers better performance in terms of signal loss, but aluminum is lighter and often more affordable. Once we finalize the design, we move on to Ansys for electromagnetic simulation. Ansys allows us to test the antenna's performance before physically building it, which helps save time and resources. We begin by importing our SolidWorks model and setting up the simulation parameters, defining the operating frequency, input power, and boundary conditions. Here, we can visualize critical data like the radiation pattern, impedance, and gain of the antenna. This data helps us ensure that the antenna will perform optimally in real-world applications. Based on the simulation results, we can make fine-tuned adjustments to improve the antenna's efficiency. For example, if the impedance isn't perfect, we can tweak the length of the arms or change the material properties. This workflow, from SolidWorks design to Ansys simulation, gives us a complete picture of how the antenna will perform, reducing the risk of errors when we move into physical production. That's how you can design and optimize a half-wave dipole antenna using SolidWorks and Ansys. This method ensures you get a high-performing antenna right from the start. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more detailed antenna designs and simulations. Thanks for watching RF Antenna Design, your source for all things antenna.